the best month, I think I did a mil once.
I said I've made $1 million. I've made more than $1 million.
I made $981,000 in 2022.
Month of March, I made $60,020.45.
How do your favorite influencers make millions of dollars? Like, have you ever wondered if there's more to their glamorous lives than what you see? Well, in this video, I plan to break down the truth about influencers' income streams. We all know that influencers make money through sponsored content and brand deals. But did you know that there are many other clever ways they monetize their online presence? They have a lot of strategies at their disposal that they use to make a living doing what they love. So stay till the end of the video, where I'll also uncover a lesser known method that influencers use to make money. So get ready to discover the truth about how influencers really make millions in a year. This video is going to open up your mind to the world of influencer income streams. So first, I'm going to start off with sponsored content and brand deals. Sponsorships are probably the most well-known ways that influencers make money. Brands will reach out to influencers and pay them to promote their products through a post, video, or story. And trust me, influencers carry a lot of power. So if someone sees their favorite influencer use and love a product, they're much more likely to buy it themselves. And that's why influencers make so much from sponsored content. Influencers making up to $30,000 a month on sponsored content is normal.
Now, in terms of sponsorships, I usually earn a minimum $24,500, ranging upwards to $40,000 a month.
The key to making so much money is that it's all about the value that an influencer brings to their customers, and also the brand awareness that they deliver to their sponsor. So if you'd like to have a general idea of how much an influencer should charge, depending on the amount of followers and engagement an influencer has, they can make up to $10,000 per post or more depending on their niche. And obviously this is just a general number. The number can be higher or lower. The key to success with sponsored content is to make it feel authentic. This could simply be an influencer using their favorite beauty products, electronics, or wearing their favorite brand and posting it online. This is where you'll see product placements in YouTube vlogs, beauty routines on TikTok, or outfit of the day videos on Instagram Reels. These sponsorships just fit into their lifestyle, and that's why they may be so hard to spot, and that's why they're also successful at it. Even if a sponsorship is disclosed as per FTC guidelines, these influencers have their audience's trust. Sponsorships can lead to even more opportunities down the line, whether that's working with the brand again, creating new relationships, or working with other brands. The next way influencers make money is referral codes. And in my opinion, I think referral codes are the most slept on ways that influencers like to make money, or the most slept on way that influencers can make money. This is because I feel like most influencers believe that it's tedious to go looking for links to products and then posting it, but influencers can earn up to $50,000 a month just using referral codes. So by sharing their unique referral code or link with viewers, influencers can earn commission or a flat fee when someone purchases a product through them. In some situations, I would say it's a win-win for everyone involved. So influencers get to promote products they love, and their viewers get to enjoy a discount while also supporting their favorite influencer. With popular programs like Amazon affiliates and reward style, influencers can earn commission on any product someone purchases using their link. And this means that even if someone doesn't purchase the initial product they recommended, influencers can still make money on the products that are purchased through their link. So I would say the great thing about referral codes is that they allow influencers to make money without them directly promoting a product. They could just, share a link to their favorite water bottle or their favorite shoes. And That way, their followers have the decision to purchase or not. So that's why, just like with sponsored content, it's important that the products an influencer promotes aligns with their personal brand or niche, and also that they're transparent with their followers about their earnings. So that way it kind of fits in and there's more trust there because you know that this influencer actually loves this product. The next topic that I'm going to talk about is something that's relatively new but has been done for ages. It's just kind of evolved. And this is user-generated content. I would say it's pretty popular now, but if we're talking about 2-3 years ago, it was one of the most uncommon ways influencers would make money. And user-generated content, just like UGC, is basically what makes an influencer an influencer. If we're talking about 2-3 years ago, this would include them, posting their typical Instagram posts, YouTube vlogs, blog posts, TikToks, and YouTube videos of their favorite products or of specific products. And this content that they would post would grow their brand, attract sponsors, draw in ad revenue, and promote their referral codes. Thanks to TikTok, especially thanks to TikTok, there's actually more to UGC for influencers than just posting the products they love on their own accounts. One thing that makes user-generated content so appealing to brands is that it shows how the influencer uses and enjoys the product. This gives brands a chance to show their product in the context of someone using it in real life, which can be more engaging than a staged post or video in a studio. If viewers see their favorite influencer using and loving a product, they're much more likely to give it a try themselves. So, how are influencers capitalizing on this? Since influencers are already skilled in content creation, they can offer their services to brands to use in their branding on their social media. So brands no longer just rely on studio photo shoots with models or celebrity endorsements to promote their products. Now they can actually use influencers to give that relatable effect to their social media or any other medium that they would like to promote their product. This means that influencers are now a big part of marketing plans just by creating custom and relatable content for brands. So, an influencer can make up to $250 or more for just a 60-second video on TikTok or Reels. Wow. Most times, user-generated content does not rely on an influencer's follower count or engagement rate, and this is because the influencer may not even be required to post the content on their page. It is only meant for the brand to use in their marketing, and that means you don't even need to be an influencer to make UGC. All you need are creative content creation skills and a portfolio showcasing your best work. I mean, take a look at this content creator.
How much should you charge for a UGC video? First, you want to determine, is this going to be for organic or paid use? Organic content is a little bit easier than ad content because ad content definitely involves a lot more scripting, research, direct response marketing. I always charge more for ads compared to organic content. When I first started as a UGC creator, I started at $150. Now my base rate for organic content is $200. My base rate for paid media, I include 2 hooks and usage rights. If I'm creating content with my family, I always charge more. And you also want to think about like your expertise and your skill level. I have great editing skills. I understand videography. I understand direct response marketing. Given that, I'm able to charge a more competitive rate.
So there you have it. These are some of the most common ways influencers make money. Just to let you know that it is definitely possible to make it a living or a side hustle. And I'm going to be honest, it takes hard work, dedication, and a genuine passion for creating content. And one of the things about it is that even though millions, sounds like a good number, the number is not consistent every month. Like, influencers don't make the same money every month. One month it might be high, they might be making a high amount. Another month they might be making a low amount. So it's really not consistent, but there is a lot of opportunity in this industry, and it's definitely going to grow in the next few years. So in my upcoming videos, you can expect that I'll do an even deeper dive on these topics, and I know that there's some topics that I missed out on. So please let me know in the comments what you would like me to talk about specifically, if you have any questions. Also, we're growing our communities, so join us on Discord and join us on our server. The link is in our description. And also follow our YouTube channel so you don't miss out, and also turn on post notifications so you can stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.